Jingiakren Kaba Kongsan bala Pynlong ha Sien Gabalai hapedeng ka subcommittee bat ka non-gazetted employees association NGEA Jong ka KHASI la Pynlong hatura Jingiakren halawar ka Pynlong ban Siew ya Tulop la penya Jingiakren da deputy commissioner u Wibhor Akarwal ka subcommittee ka Pynlong ya Jingiak phaliu jingmut ka basani bha bat kinong yalam Jong ka NGEA halawar ka terwa Jong ka sarkar Habakren Shakilat Pathai Kubor u DC ula pensyai halor kani gijing terwa da kaba pensngau ye gijing balapen pau de kinong trei bad ula pentikna ba onburam ye gijing long light luit Jong ka council ula pentikna ru bala deban pelait ya katulop na kabenta khat arbanai Jong kinong trei ka KHADC
the employees want something concrete, and I think the employees are also welcoming this. The employees in general are welcoming this. Okay, because it has been too long, and they have been suffering for too long as well. So some assurity and some stability in their salaries also has to come, right? Not just for the pending ones, but for the coming ones as well. But obviously, they want some assurances and they want some assurity on all these particular things. So all their points will be conveyed to the state as well, so that it can be clarified from the state as well in a more legible way.
Hakawe pat kalyang ka NGEA hen negasngi kala kentai